And there it is, a new Honor with a new firmware update. AI super zoom camera up to 30x. Until you get a 30x, the picture will be normal. Above it, with AI, manual adjustment, quick zoom, improved motion capture, voice control, and some AI action, so on, so far. We have a moving aperture. You see this right there? Look at it right there. Moving aperture, and bam! This smartphone can go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, and from the wide-angle lens, 0.5, it is wide. Sun is almost done, almost gone, but that's okay. Let's hope there'll be no wind noise. I mean, it is a bit windy. We do have voice enchantment, which is on at the moment. Do you hear any difference? Vlogging style. Vlogging. All right, let's do some zoom. 1x, switching to 2.6 and 10x. Can you read the license plate? Maybe. All right, it was a little bit jittery switching between lenses, but that's okay. The Vivo is much smoother. But macro available. Holy shit. It's a poo, but that's okay. It's life. Poo is also life. Alright, let me show you something else. A lot of details in the wide angle lens. A lot of details. We are still with the noise cancellation. Let's switch it off. Switch to the main lens. How quick it is. Well, a bit quicker than it was before the update. Let's do it again. It's good. It's good. But the question is, can we switch to the front-facing camera during the recording? No. But the front-facing camera is in 4K 60 and it is wide. Wide. Great for vlogging. No autofocus. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate quite quickly. Nice video stabilization. Cool. Oh, that sun blasting to that van. It will expose when I'm out of the frame. You see the difference? Anyway, mind the difference. What else do we have in this smartphone? So what else do we have? We have night mode, but it's daylight. Portrait. Ooh, ooh. Really? Really? Wait a minute. It's gone now. It's gone. Why it's gone? You should be walking all the time. Come on. I want to have that juicy look. Beauty mode, makeup. Where's okay, why the makeup is gone? I want to have that juicy look. Look at the amount of makeup. But why it's gone? Alright. Let's test the photo, but we have to be way above a 35 to get that. Oh, why it's so jittery? AI action. For example, satellite dishes. Cut, wham, bam, bam. 50. 400. There you go. Is it stable? Well, kinda. Not extremely, but stable. Okay, something closer. Like this building. But that's not above 35. That's okay. Let's see a sign and let's see a vehicle. Vehicle will be nice. Maybe that vehicle and some people. Okay, license plates will be nice. If we have a chance to get the license plate. There you go, there you go. And let's see those pictures. License plate? Not really. But vehicle looks semi-okay. You can see that it's heavy on the AI. This looks nice, it's readable. Really nice. And AI action. Okay, it looks nice. But close to the Vivo, which is the best in the market at the moment. Nice. So greatly improved. Pro, and in the Pro you can do all kinds of raw action. There's also for a video and more. So there we have super macro. Can we do super macro? Oh yeah, you can go very close. Very close. Super close. Movie mode, but that's not in 60 frames per second, only 24 or 30. Okay, 30 is much better in the movie. That's cool. And you also have loots. A lot of them. That's super cool. And beauty mode. Oh no, that was a bokeh. Very cool. Multi-video. Holy shit. Don't scare me like that. Multi-video. So 2 cameras at the same time. Don't scare me like that. Okay, fireworks. Okay. No, it's only in full HD. Alright. So you can do all kinds of vlogging, I guess. All kinds. There's a stage. There's a watermark. There's a story. Alright. So you can do a story if you want it.
might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.
Also a couple of features like translation. For example, you have some text on the picture. And it should be translate. And you can translate to a couple of languages like English, Chinese, couple of them. For example, English. Okay, it was in English, so if you translate to English, it will be still English. But if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But we have more. AI. For example, I want to erase that person. I should erase it quickly. Look at the animation, which is cool, super cool. Just put it a bit closer, and she's gone. Gone in 15 seconds. Super cool. I like it a lot. And many more, but wait for the full review. New life for the Honor. Much better without the case. Smartphone. You know what I would love to see? Switching lenses during the recording, front and back. I'm not sure why we don't have it anymore. There's like, even in 4K 30, it's not available. It should be available. But it is what it is. And I think that's all I got for now. It's a cool smartphone. Not the best, but cool. If you want the best, go with Vivo. Link in the description. See you next video.